Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is Making It Happen with Mary and I am Mary. Today's video, I was so freaking excited to do this video today, you guys. Y'all know I'm a vanilla hoe, right? Y'all know that. Y'all know that. If you've been following me for a while, ooh, baby, you know I am. And today, we are going to talk about, did Dirty Soul actually dupe wrapped in vanilla? We're going to holla about it real quick. But first, of course, today's lip is by me. I did wear a lip liner today in like a nude shade, but over top, I put on Gorgeous Violet Vixen. She's absolutely beautiful. She smells like blueberry pie, like bro, fire, fire. I love this one. It's a beautiful iridescent purple. You can only find her over at Banger Beauty by Mary, and she's fire. Yeah, get over there and check that out, y'all. Okay, let's hop into this. Oh my God, okay. If you've been following me for a while, I've done numerous hauls and reviews for Dirty Soul soap, right? And I've always said that for whatever reason, a lot of their vanilla scents never seem to work with my body chemistry. So when they did this last collaboration with me, they sent me their version of Wrapped in Vanilla. And I was so excited, but so nervous at the same time because I knew how my previous experiences have been with their vanilla. Now, let's for a second pause. I just want to get that out of the way and say that. Let's talk about Wrapped in Vanilla from Bath & Body Works. Y'all, this is probably the best vanilla scent that Bath & Body Works has ever put out. And of course, we saw her one time. Yeah, one time. Now, we did hear that there's a vanilla scent coming, like a signature scent, this fall holiday season. Fingers crossed. I'm like praying to the vanilla gods that it really is this. But I'm doubtful at the same time. But let's talk about her for a second. It is soft vanilla, velvet sugar, and chantilly creme. Oh my God. Yeah, that is what I feel when I smell this, okay? My internal vanilla hoe is in all her joyous wonder at the moment. Love this scent. You get this beautiful soft vanilla, right? But this scent is strong. Don't get it twisted. It's a soft vanilla note that's in here, but you also get these sugary notes combined with the vanilla. It's not a sugary candy scent. It's not. But then you also get that chantilly creme, which gives it like this creamy factor and ties it all together. It is a freaking fire scent. This is my last bottle of her, and I'm very sad about it. I did see on Mercari they're charging insane amounts for Wrapped in Vanilla. I refuse to pay those prices. Oh my God. So you have to understand my excitement and joy when I saw that Dirty Soul does a Wrapped in Vanilla. All right? Their scent notes are literally the same. Well, no, it's warm vanilla bean, velvet sugar, and chantilly creme, and Bath & Body calls it just soft vanilla, whereas they say warm vanilla bean. All right? I did spray some on my hand, and I will say, you see how that shine on my hand? That indicates to me that there is definitely a higher oil concentration in this fragrance. These are considered to be parfum mists, not body sprays. I just want to get that clarified. They are stronger because of that oil concentration. But let's go in for the sniff. Damn. I will say, this is probably a 95% dupe of Wrapped in Vanilla from Bath & Body. The only difference is in the beginning with Dirty Souls, you do kind of get this kind of a slight, when you first spray it on, at least on my skin, there is a slight almost, I don't want to say chemically because it's not chemical, but it's like an off smell at first. As it dries down, though, Yes, honey, yes. I've worn this one quite a bit since I got it. The longevity on this is a good 4 to 6 hours. I will say I was very pleased with the longevity. I could smell her for a very long time. She wasn't beast mode, but I could definitely smell it. And it does smell like a slightly stronger version of Wrapped in Vanilla. Wrapped in Vanilla, I think, is a little sweeter. Just a tiniest bit. But damn is she close. Like, y'all, if you are looking, like, let's say you have the body cream still of this, but you needed the spray, here you go. And did I mention Dirty Soul does do body lotion, body scrub, shower gel in all of their scents. So let's say you have just the spray left and you need the lotion. Me personally, I'm going to be ordering a Wrapped in Vanilla lotion from them because I need another lotion. I know how I go through sprays versus lotion, and the lotion I do have will be long gone before the actual spray. So this, y'all, don't sleep on her. 95% dupe. I wouldn't say exact dupe, but 95% for sure, for sure. Have you smelled the new version of Wrapped in Vanilla from Dirty Soul? Did you ever not get your sniffer on the original Bath & Body Works one? Definitely get over to dirtysoulsoap.com. Get you some. They have a ton of different scents on there. If you're not familiar with them, I've done a ton of different videos on them. Check them out. Yes, they're a small business. Yes, they have, you know, small business struggles. I have small business struggles, but damn, y'all don't quit on me. Don't quit on them. Don't quit on them. Yeah, definitely. I commend Dirty Soul with what they did with this scent. Highly recommend it. That's my thoughts. That's my thoughts. Yeah. But let me know what you think in the comments below for sure. Make sure you get over to Banger Beauty by Mary and get you some Violet Vixen. She's so pretty. Kind of reminds me of a blueberry muffin a little bit, don't it? A little bit. Because those cute little like flecks in it. Yeah. And it smells like blueberry pie, y'all. Yeah. But other than that, y'all, we're at my favorite part. We're at my favorite part. Ready? Like, comment, subscribe, and ding the bell so you're alerted every single time your girl uploads. And I will see you in the next one. All right, you guys. Bye-bye.